Welcome to the gallon kitchen. Brown stew chicken with a little surprise guest. Let's go. Chicken already washed and seasoned with gallon kitchen spices. Can you guess what spices it is? If you can, then leave it in the comments. Grab a pan and put some olive oil in it. Fry the chicken a little bit lightly. Put your chicken aside and then we're going to put in some onion, bell pepper, add your ginger and add your garlic. Add some water to your pot now and we're going to add back the chicken right inside. Add your carrot, add your thyme. Add some pieces of scotch bonnet. You're going to add some ketchup for thickness and then a piece of chicken cube. We're going to cover it and make it simmer. Have you guessed the special guest yet? If you can guess, let me know in the comments. If you got the hint, you realize, say, a breadfruit. And you know something like them fried. So, hope you enjoy this. And if you got it right, more breadfruit coming to your side. Yay! I love you. Later. Bye.